What's up, guys? Today is December 16th, Tuesday, 2025. I got 3 hours of sleep, so if you're a new viewer and you're bored already, you can just click off the video. So, anyway, I just secured 3K plus, okay, 3.1K payout plus 2K payout plus 1414. Okay, let's do the math. 3.1 plus 14, 45 plus 14, 59. 59 plus 2000, 7,900. Okay. And then 79 times 90% because it's profit split. Okay. I secured a $7,110 payout. Let's freaking go. So yeah, I'm joking actually. Because the IRS, guys, did you guys know that the IRS like has AI that monitors like Instagram gurus? Like I don't want to be a guru, but like other guru, like people like actual gurus, right? Like that sell courses. Like they monitor the reels and the shit they say, and if they're flexing like 100K a month or like 50K a month, like they like audit them or some shit, or like they like invest. I don't even know what they do. Like I'm dumb when it comes to this stuff, but like they do some shit. So like basically, I'm joking, and I'm not getting any payouts. But yeah, you guys saw the proof yesterday. Okay. So look, I'm gonna log out and log in. Boom. 56,297. And then here are the executions for the day. I'm gonna show you guys real quick so you guys don't have to look at them again. So boom. Forward test here. Break even. Win. Okay. And then boom. I'm gonna go to my Lucid accounts. Boom. Break even. Win. Same trades. There we go. So basically, I wasn't gonna make a video today because these trades were really boring and I can't really explain them too well. But well, I mean, I can, but like, I don't know if you guys will like it. So, like, this just looks bad. Like, I know you guys are looking at the screen now, and you're like, what the fuck is this dude doing? So that's my bad. But anyway, I basically making this video because I got the payouts. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then after that, well, I already showed you guys. So I got the payouts, and then I'm going to be putting the 3 Lucid accounts on CPI after requested tonight. So, um, yeah. So like, if I blow the accounts on Thursday, like, and then I like, let's say like I don't post today and I don't post Thursday, and on Friday I post an account and the accounts are gone, you guys will be like, oh bro, like what happened, bro? Like you guys will be on my dick. So I basically just want to show you guys now and tell you before I put these accounts in CPI because I already got a payout from them. So also the one 4,000 balance, I got 2 payouts on it. So that's a really good ROI. But yeah, anyway, how many minutes of yap was that? 3 minutes? My bad. Let's get into it. 2 trades a day. And yeah, what I want to see coming to the day. Let's see right here. Boom. Okay, so coming to the day. Super quick analysis. We had this 4-hour bearish SMT above with the 4-hour gap. And then below, we had, boom, below, we had really good manipulation under midnight open. And that makes me believe, and London swept Asia. So that makes me believe that we are protected down here. London lows is protected. So, that being said, let's look higher. What do we have? What could this 4-hour SMT send us down to? Bro, hello? All right. What could this 4-hour SMT send us down to? Well, we have 2 1 hours, right? Oh my God. All right, we have 2 1 hours, right? We have this 1 hour right here, and we have this 1 hour right here with relative equal lows that I marked out. I'm not going to draw a box, but you guys see the line right there. So, boom. And now let's see what market open does because there's no trades right now. There's no really good draws yet. Oh, also, sorry. Targets above. We obviously have the stacked highs and the unfilled 4-hour, right? Because on NASDAQ it's unfilled. And we have a bunch of stacked 5-minute, 15-minute highs. Like, look at these highs, bro. We have so much good LR here. So, yeah, basically, that is what I was looking at. I wanted to be more bullish after seeing the reaction after market open. So, let's just go there real quick and chop it off. Pause. All right, right here. Boom. So, market open. We come up, and then we come down. Back in the first presented. I think this first presented. Low key, guys. I'm sure someone that watches me actually studied ICT like and watched the membership. Like, does this count as first presented if it's 929 to 931? I think it does, right? But yeah, anyway. boom, come back in the first presented, shoot up, and then, dude, yo, someone probably blew their account taking a lot here. That's just fun to think about. But anyway, boom, came back down, boom, resweep the low, and then boom, resweep of 930 low. Now I'm watching, right? Like boom, guys, like look, we resweep 930 low, but look what we did on ES. We hit that 1 hour gap relative equal low. Okay, yo, the way I just said that sentence makes me sound like I have 67 IQ. That's what it makes me sound like. But okay, anyway, we came back down and we resweeped. Dude, what am I saying? We didn't resweep anything. We finally, oh my god, I'm actually fried right now. I don't do drugs. Like I don't do drugs, guys. I'm just tired. All right. Anyway, look, we tapped the 1 hour gap. We got an SMT. That's what I was trying to say. We tapped the 1 hour gap we were looking at, and we got SMT. Okay. And I think this might be midnight open for ES. Let me check. Let me check. Kind of, not really. Okay. So we tapped the 1 hour, and we got the SMT, and then on NQ we reached up 930 high. 930 high, 930 low, bro. What am I saying? 930 low, okay? And then we got this really nice displacement. Also, we have data highs right here. 945 PMI data highs. Boom. Where's that at? Boom. 945 data highs. All right. So, oh my god. All right. Boom. So, it's 30 second look really good. I could not react. I did not react fast enough. By the time I saw the setup, if you look on the 1 second, we instantly ripped. So, yeah. I don't even know where I was trying to enter based on this, but okay, here's the candle. Let's go on the 1 second. Yeah, like guys, we instantly freaking ripped. How many points is this? 30 points, bro. So that's GG's for sure. Could not take that. And then there was a 2 minute. People were taking the 2 minute, and I know people that took the 2 minute. But you guys know me. This is too premium for me. I hate entering trades like this. Stop loss isn't really valid. Like my stop loss is so premium. Like the trade's so premium, it makes my stop loss bad. Is what I'm trying to say. Like you guys know what I mean. I've been fading these trades since 1995. So yeah, we get back up now. This is good though. I like this because we're starting to continue. We're starting to form the uptrend I want in order to take my 1 minute trade. So boom, we come up here, we make a 1 minute gap after this big displacement candle. So you guys already know I'm looking at this 1 minute gap, but if you guys look at the next wick that formed the gap, this is like a rejection gap or whatever the fuck that shit's called. So I'm not really expecting us to get a crazy reaction out of it. So boom, we end up disrespecting the 1 minute, and then we get an SMT off of these two 1 minute lows right here. So boom, you guys see right here, we got an SMT off these 2 1 minute lows, and we also tap into the upper 3 minute gap. So we're respecting the upper 3 minute. Now, would I want us to tap the lower 3 minute? Yes. Did I want that at the time? Yes, I did. Was I looking at it? Yes. All the above? Yes. Like I wanted this 3 minute, but that was the perfect world scenario, right? And what do you know, guys? Like you can't wait for the perfect setup. You have to take what's presented to you. This was good enough for me. I got the sweep. I got the displacement. Would the SMT upgraded my trade to like just money to like my nuts? Like I would have put my nuts on it and money. Like probably, maybe, but it didn't happen, right? So that's why I just put money on it. But anyway, I don't even know where I was going with that. Bro, holy, I don't know what I'm talking about right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know if I'll upload this video at this point. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. But yeah, we don't need a perfect world scenario. Like this would have been nice, but we don't need it. So we got the displacement, entered, and I could not target these highs up here. It was a little too far for me. We already moved up like 100 points and reversed. I didn't expect this to go all the way up these highs in one move. So it was like I was saying the other day, like there's a lot that has to happen between here and here. So I'd rather take the next target, which was about 1.5 RR. And I got edged on that. So boom, edged, and then I got break even. So I went break even at this high. So I didn't just pattern trade the break even at the internal high. I also went break even because this is the 10 a.m. open. So I got like I protected myself from any 10 a.m. manipulation stuff like that. And the reason why I went break even looking back at it now, I low-key should have hit TP. I don't know why my TP was up here. It looks like the draw was here. Okay. Okay, wow. Yeah, I just completely put my TP in the Milky Way galaxy for no reason. Okay, so this trade actually did end up hitting TP. So yeah, there we go, guys. 2 wins in the day. 2 wins on the day. You guys see the proof right here. 2 wins. I took both trades. I will learn from next time. I don't even know. I mean, I don't even learn anything from this. I just human error. This is human error. I just put this in the wrong spot for some reason. Wow. Okay, well, this trade hit TP. Bro, Alexa, stop. Alexa's fucking bitching at me. All right. Anyway, I got break even on that, and we came back down, and we resweep the low. Still looking for lawns here, by the way, because my draws are still there. And we finally tap into the 3-minute on ES. We get a really deep retrace, and we get a bullish SMT off the 3-minute. This is the same scenario I wanted earlier, and this is now the perfect scenario, except this time we have a 1-minute and a 2-minute gap, right? So basically, how was I planning to navigate? How was I planning to manage this? Well, there's 2 things you could do here, right? The first thing is you wait for the 1-minute to inverse and take an inversion trade. But with the way we're moving right now, I knew I was going to miss my entry, or it was going to be too premium for me to enter if I waited for the inverse. And the second option was the option I did was just enter, because this was the exact same entry I wanted. And if my bias is still right, if everything's still right, we should not go lower than this low. Like we should have put in this low. This should be a low, a new low that we just put in. And we should not go lower than this. We should respect this SMT and go higher, right? So I entered. And at first I never break even, because like there's no really valid break even. Like if you're going break even at this 2-minute, you're just gonna get instant break even, like what just happened. So I ended up just holding it because I really had the conviction we wanted to go up. And since I just got edged here, so guys, now that I'm looking at it, I didn't get edged because I just TP too high and it actually ended up hitting the draw. But since I thought I got edged, I ended up TPing at the candles because I thought I was gonna get edged again if I targeted the wick. So I just targeted the candles for a 1-to-1. And again, like I know I said in the last video, I don't like taking exactly 1-to-1s. I still don't. But this was a special scenario because I didn't want to get edged. Like I just didn't want to get edged. So I took it to 1-to-1 at the candles. And it hit. But yeah. Damn, I can't believe I put my TP wrong. That's crazy. Yo, don't trade in bed, guys, Loki. And don't trade on your phones either. Dude, whenever I trade on my phone, I get destroyed in the butt by NASDAQ. But yeah, anyway, TP gets banged. And I end up going break even on the second push. So this initial rejection candle right here, this 1-minute candle you guys see, is the reaction to the 2-minute gap. But after that, we get a push up. So I go break even there because after the second push, we realistically should not be coming back down. I wouldn't really be comfortable holding my trade. And if you guys look on my entry on my Fundingticks account, right here, boom. Also, if you guys are wondering how I made $2,000 and only traded 6 micros, I took an age recession trade yesterday. So I made a lot of money last night because if you guys see on the chart last night, we were dumping hard. Look at this dump from last night, all the way from here to like, bro, we were dumping hard. So I took a continuation trade last night because we were moving really nicely. So I just de-risked this morning, only risked 6 micros, and that's how I made $2,000. Whatever. I think I made yeah, I made like $2,000 in one day. Oh, 2,200 actually. That's pretty good. But yeah, here the execution for that. So I got really, really like such a good fill because I had to manually copy trade today. So I entered on my Lucid accounts right here, and I got filled really bad. But then on my Fundingticks account, since I entered later, like 2 seconds after, I got an insane fill, and this ended up being a 2.13R. So I TP'd the candles for a 2R. Very, very happy with that. No complaints from me. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just gonna end the video. If you guys learned something, if this video helped you, good. If it didn't, and you guys feel you just wasted your time, you can slime me out because I made a 14-minute video. Oh, my face is not even the face cam anymore. All right, well, I'll see you guys.